Welcome to the fifth and final clip in this video tutorial. Having labeled the three subdivisions of our audio chapter file, we will now go through a process which will enable us to break them down into individual files. For us to do this, we will go back to File again, and we will come down to Export. And under Export, we will go to Export Multiple. Export Multiple. I click on Export Multiple. It will bring up a window which we are going to talk about right now. It says export files to folders, so you can choose a folder to which you will export the files. In this case, I'm going to choose inside this folder right here. This is the folder that I'm choosing, Audacity Demo. The format, you will not need to change it because it is already an MP3 file and it will take it as the default. All these other settings can be left. The quality can be left as standard, variable speed, fast, etc, joint stereo. The settings that I would like to draw your attention to are the following two. Make sure that split files based on is selected for labels, and name files is selected for using label or track name, because we are going to use the labels that we wrote as the default file names. Okay, so after doing this, I click on Export. Well, you may wonder, overwrite existing files. In a case where you had already gone through this process and you are going through it a second time, you may have files of a similar name and you want them to be immediately automatically deleted. If you do so, if you click on overwrite existing files, it will delete the previous versions that you had saved. So let us click on Export. When you click on Export, you will see another window suggesting you the editing of metadata tags. Please note that MP3 files can store what is called metadata, which is extra information on the file in question. This extra information can be seen on some screens of certain devices where the audio is being played. In this case, to save time, and especially if you're subdividing several files, you may just limit the metadata to what is already shown here, which means that I will just click on OK. The metadata for the first file is OK, for the second file is OK, and for the third file is OK. The exportation is taking place, and as we can see here, Audacity shows us that the files have been successfully exported, and we now have inside Audacity demo folder 3 distinct separate MP3 files which have been named based on the labels that we gave inside Audacity while we were doing the subdivision, and they can be used independently of the others to do the scripture engagement. God bless you as you make an effort to practice what we have just gone through.